3 years from now, you'll either say, "I'm glad I positioned early," or "I saw it coming and did nothing." Right now, a few cryptocurrencies are silently preparing for explosive moves, and most investors will miss them again. Not because they're unlucky, but because they hesitate. You felt this before. You saw crypto change ordinary people's lives. You watched portfolios multiply. You heard stories that sounded unreal, and you told yourself, "If only I had entered earlier." Now it's happening again. Too many coins, too much noise, too much fear. And every time you think about investing, you feel like you're already late. Here's the truth most people don't realize. The problem isn't your timing. It's not your income. It's not even the market. It's reacting to hype instead of recognizing signals. As Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." Most investors follow excitement. Wealth builders follow positioning. And as Robert Kiyosaki teaches, the rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. The difference isn't luck. It's awareness before the explosion. Most people wait for proof. By the time proof arrives, the opportunity is gone. That's the shift. Smart investors don't chase momentum after headlines explode. They quietly position themselves before attention floods in. As Jeff Bezos once said, "Be stubborn on vision, but flexible on details." Vision is what separates spectators from winners. Right now, 5 cryptocurrencies are flashing signals that serious investors study closely. Not hype, not noise. Signals. Here's the framework. Signal number 1, real-world adoption. When institutions, developers, and global users rely on a network, that foundation matters. Bitcoin stands as digital gold, trusted by corporations and even governments. Ethereum powers decentralized applications, smart contracts, and entire ecosystems. As Warren Buffett reminds us, price is what you pay, value is what you get. Adoption creates value. Signal number 2, superior technology. Speed, efficiency, utility. Solana delivers lightning-fast transactions at scale. Chainlink connects blockchain systems to real-world data, making decentralized finance functional. Innovation attracts capital. Signal number 3, expanding future demand. This is where long-term growth lies. XRP is positioned within global payment corridors, aiming to modernize cross-border transfers, a multi-trillion-dollar industry. When infrastructure aligns with global finance, momentum follows. The market rewards projects that solve meaningful problems, and those who recognize these signals early position themselves before the breakout. Here's the uncomfortable reality. In every market cycle, there are 2 groups: those who prepare quietly and those who look back with regret. Right now, you're standing at that line. Opportunities don't announce themselves twice. They reward conviction before confirmation. As Peter Lynch once said, the real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. And fear is exactly what keeps most people frozen. Some will dismiss at least one of these projects. Some will wait for headlines. Some will wait for everyone else to agree. By then, the price will already reflect the confidence they delayed. Fortunes are rarely built in comfort. They're built in moments of clarity before the crowd moves. So here's the question that matters. Which of these cryptocurrencies do you believe has the strongest breakout potential? Type crypto in the comments if you want the next video where I break down how disciplined investors position themselves strategically, without gambling, without guessing, and without following hype. Because the next move you make could define the next financial chapter of your life.